Hello and welcome everyone. You are watching BSL Academy, the best platform for the Jackboard. So in our previous video, we have covered all the objective questions of model paper of class 12 Jackboard of your maths paper. So today we have come with that similar type of session which is based on your chemistry paper. So in this video we will cover all the objective questions of model paper of chemistry. So let's start. Here you can see the question number 1. The constituent particles of CCl4 are ions, molecules, atoms, or none of these. So the correct answer for this question is atoms. Now next, for the reaction AA plus BB gives product, rate is option A K A to the power B, B to the power B, K A to the power 1 by B, B to the power 1 by A to the power 1 by A, B to the power 1 by B. Next, A to the power B, B to the power A, or none of these. So correct answer for this question is A. Now next, copper pyrites is an ore of. Here it should be ore instead of R. So don't confuse. So correct answer for this question is Cu. And what is the formula for copper pyrites? It is CuFeS2. Now next, group 15 elements are known as nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, none of these. So correct answer for this question is A, nitrogen family. SC stands for scandium. A, second transition series element, B, first transition series element, C, third transition series element, or none of these. So the right answer is comes out to be B, first transition series elements. Now next, question number 6. Benzene plus C2H5Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives ethyl benzene plus HCl. So the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. Ethyl alcohol in the presence of copper and heated at 573 Kelvin. Then the product formed will be acetaldehyde. That is option C is your correct answer. Now next, acetaldehyde plus 4H in the presence of ZnHg or HCl. So acetaldehyde is reduced in the presence of ZnHg, that is zinc amalgam, in the acidic medium. So the product will be ethane. So option C is your correct answer. Now next, CH3COCH3. This is acetone plus 4HI in the presence of red phosphorus heated at 420 Kelvin gives product A plus H2O plus 2I2. So here you have to identify that what is A. So here propane will be the correct answer. That is option C. Now next, C2H5NH2 plus HONO2 treated in the presence of NaNO2 plus HCl. The product form is what? CH3OH, C2H5NC, C2H5OH, or none of these. So the correct answer for this question is option C, C2H5OH. Let's move on the 11th question. Molecular formula of aldotrioses is option A C3H6O3, option B C4H8O4, option C C5H10O5, or none of these. So correct answer for this question is A, C3H6O3. Question number 12. Monomer of polythene is, this is very easy. This is nothing but ethene, polythene. So correct answer for this question is B. Now next, formaldehyde is disinfectant, analgesics, antibiotics, or none of these. So formaldehyde is disinfectant. Correct answer is A. Question number 14. Aluminium hydroxide is what? Antacid, antiseptic, antihistamines, or none of these. So aluminium hydroxide is antacid. Right answer is A. Question number 15. Formula for of copper glance is what? So this is Cu2S. That means right answer is A. Question number 16. Structural formula of 1-chlorobutane is what? This is very easy. So here you can see in butane there will be 4 carbon and 1 chlorine at first position at terminal point. So here you can see in the option A, that is 4 carbons are given and at terminal position a chlorine is given. So correct answer for this question is A. Now question number 17. Molecular formula of sucrose is what? C12H22O11, C6H12O6, no. CB, C5H10O5, this is also wrong, and D, none of these. So correct answer for this question is option A, C12H22O11. Now next, in the reaction 2, and this is what? This is phenol plus 2Na gives A plus H2. Here you have to identify that what is A. So here A will be benzene and ONA. So our correct answer is A. Now next, in the reaction 2CH3COOH plus 2Na gives A plus H2. So again you have to identify the A. A is what? So again you can see the B is the correct answer, CH3COONA. Now next, the oxidation number of cobalt, CO stands for cobalt, in CONH3 5 Cl2 plus. So here again the correct answer is comes out to be C, that is plus 3. You can calculate easily. Now next, question number 21. For the reaction NH4NO2 gives N2 plus 2H2O. Molecularity of the reaction is, this is nothing but 1. The molecularity is 1. Now next, question number 22. In the extraction of copper, the reaction is FeO plus SiO2 gives what? This is FeSiO3. Again I am repeating, FeSiO3. Question number 23. The electronic configuration of scandium is what? So first here atomic number is given 21. So the electronic configuration for scandium is AR. AR stands for argon, 4s2 3d1. So there is 18 electrons in AR and 4s2 3d1. So 3 electrons, 18 plus 3 21. AR 4s2 3d1. And this is the first transition series element, as you have seen in the previous question. Now next, in cationic complex CONH3 plus 3 ion, the number of ligands are 6. Number of ligands are nothing but, this is the coordination number of the compound. So here number, what is ligand? So here NH3 is the ligand and the number of it is 6. NH3 6, that means 6. Now next, IUPAC name of CH3Cl. This is very easy. This is nothing but your chloromethane. Question number 26. Example of primary amine is. So name any primary amine. You can say, you can write here methanamine, ethanamine, any 1 degree or primary amine. Methanamine, ethanamine, propanamine, as you like. And question number 27. Example of antihistamine is what? So there are many antihistamines as you have read in your classes. So one of them is diphenylhydramine. Again I am repeating, diphenylhydramine. So this is one of the example of antihistamine. So these were your objective questions of chemistry model paper of 2021 JAG board class 12th. Again you can see here. So this is it. Hope you like this video, because this is very useful for you. So please watch carefully this video. You can get its recording on YouTube. So please like, share and subscribe, so that we always come with the great joy for helping you in your examination. So bye bye, take care and happy learning.